Jim's here with the Captain Jim's No Vacancy. Just big headed key here. There's the bitting. So tighten down a little bit. I had to put it in here this way because it kept slipping in my vise. Which that's just an excuse because it's a really good lock. Moving. Really good lock. Kicking my butt. So start the back and let's see what we can got. So I can get it this way. There's a binder on 2. We'll click on 3. Movement there on 6. We'll switch over to the DeForest. There's another couple clicks on 3. Small click on 2. There's 1. Got a movement on the core. Counter rotation on 2. Couple of clicks on it. 3 solid. 4 got a click. Another click on 4. 5 nothing. 6 is solid. 5 is solid. 4 is solid. 3 is solid. 2. Maybe 1. We'll come back. 2. 3, 4, 5. Everything is just solid. Maybe another one on 3. Felt a little counter. I think I lost my false set there. May have overset 3. Nope. Couple of clicks on 4. Got a little movement. Click on 5. Got a movement. 6. Another little click on 5. Counter on 2. Movement there. 1 solid, 2 solid, 3. Counter on 4. Click. There it is. Open on 4. And zoom that out. Whoops. See if I can get my stand. Don't fall. Hopefully it won't fall there. There it is, open. Good little pick there. It gives a lot of good feedback, but it would get to a point to where it doesn't give anything. I like those where to talk to you a little and then just get you real quiet. Make you work for it. Ooh, I like to push that out. There we go. Let's see if we can focus. Still trying to figure this phone out. I see threading in 1, 3, 4, and 6. Set that there. There we go. This phone's a lot different than my other one. Don't quite like cameras much. It's a couple of threaded there, or double serrate, or a double spool, or a wide serration. Another double spool. Another double spool. Single spool. Single spool. Must have been catching that serration really good, because I would have guessed something different than those spools. Let's see if we can see what's in here. Focus on here. Looks like the top is clean. I don't know if y'all can see that. Bear with me on the camera. I'll get it figured out. Let's populate the plug real quick. Look like you used some key pins. Very well done below shear line. Awesome. Like that. I like that. All right, number 6, we have a standard pin, but it's also just kind of beveled there on the end with a threaded chamber. Number 5 is really low, right at shear. And I like those kind of pins that way, with a single spool. Also kind of beveled on the end. Number 4 is a key pin, upside down, almost mushroom type. Number 3 is another key pin with the double spool or double serration. Number 2 is also a key pin, double serration. Slightly beveled pin there. Number 1 is another double serration. Dump out the key pins. We'll take a close look at them. Found my tweezers and I'll get them turned around here. There we go. There we go. I think up against this brown pinning tray, so I was using them up against this pinning tray. The lighting just, I guess the way the light is, and the color of those pins, it wasn't really showing up good. But there we go for number 1. Double serrated with a double serrated key pin, standard key pin, both double serrated key pin, standard. That's a triple serrated. All the pins look like some form of brass or copper. Just some of them are older, I think, just a little more rusted looking. All right, so that's what we have for Captain Jim's No Vacancy. And honestly can't remember who sent me that lock, but whoever it was, if you know, I appreciate it. Because this is one of my lost videos that I'm having to re-record. So that's what I got for Captain Jim's No Vacancy. Y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal, and God bless.